basic sentence structure follows a simple pattern of subject plus verb plus object. This is the most common way to build sentences in English. Every sentence needs these three main parts to make complete sense. The subject performs the action. The verb shows what action happens. The object receives the action. The dog chased the cat means the dog did the chasing and the cat received the action. She loves chocolate means she does the loving and chocolate receives it. Here are more examples of the subject-verb-object pattern. The teacher taught the students. The chef prepared a delicious meal. She bought a new dress. He fixed the broken chair. They played soccer. Notice how each sentence follows the same order. Every English sentence follows this order. First comes the subject, then the verb, finally the object. Subject does the verb action to the object. This order never changes in basic English sentences. Let's break down the dog chased the cat. The dog is the subject because it does the action. Chased is the verb showing the action. The cat is the object receiving the chasing action. Each part has a clear job. The subject, she does the action. The verb loves shows what she does. The object music receives the action of loving. Subject always comes first. Verb always comes second. Object always comes last. Subject answers who or what does the action like the cat. Verb shows the action like runs. Object receives the action like the ball. These three parts work together to make every complete sentence. The teacher explained the lesson follows the pattern perfectly. The teacher is subject. Explained is verb. The lesson is object. This structure works for all simple sentences in English.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.